Last night, you turned off one light, and 5 more stayed on. The thermostat fought you, the doorbell missed a delivery, and the smart stuff felt dumb. Today, that changes. In the next few minutes, you'll see 20 smart home gadgets that automate cleaning, security, comfort, and even your kitchen, starting simple and ending with a control upgrade that makes your whole home feel like one system. 1. Echo Hub. Echo Hub is the wall-ready control panel your smart home needs. Tap the vibrant 8-inch dashboard or ask Alexa to control lights, smart plugs, locks, thermostats, and live camera feeds. The built-in hub pulls Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Matter, Thread, and Sidewalk devices into one place, so routines become one tap, simple for the whole house. Mount it anywhere with an outlet or add PoE with an adapter, and keep privacy in check with the mic off button. 2. Amazon Eero Max 7. Tri-band mesh Wi-Fi router. If your smart home is outgrowing your Wi-Fi, Eero Max 7 is a serious upgrade. This Wi-Fi 7 tri-band router delivers up to 9.4 gigabits per second wired speeds with two 10-gig ports, plus up to 4.3 gigabits per second wireless. It covers up to 2,500 square feet and can handle 250-plus devices. Great for cameras, TVs, and smart speakers. Bonus, it acts as a smart home hub for Thread and as a controller for Matter and Zigbee. 3. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus makes front door awareness effortless. You get head-to-toe HD plus video at 1536p, color night vision, and advanced motion settings so you see people and packages clearly, day or night. Two-way talk and quick replies let you respond instantly, while customizable motion zones cut down on useless alerts. Power is simple with the quick-release battery pack, and setup is guided in the Ring app. Pair it with Alexa to view the feed on Echo devices hands-free. 4. Ring Indoor Cam. Ring Indoor Cam is a plug-in camera that balances visibility with privacy. It streams 1080p HD with live view and color night vision, and advanced pre-roll grabs a few extra seconds before motion so you see what started it. You can narrow alerts with motion zones and talk through the camera with two-way talk. When you want downtime, swivel on the manual privacy cover to turn off camera and mic. Place it on a table or mount it high with the swivel mount. 5. Aqara Smart Lock U100. Aqara Smart Lock U100 delivers real keyless entry without the hassle. It integrates with Apple Home and supports Apple Home Key, letting you unlock with a quick iPhone or Apple Watch tap, even if the phone is out of power. You also get a fingerprint reader, up to 50 prints, a touchscreen keypad, and a backup mechanical key. With IP65 weather resistance and app-based passcodes with an Aqara Zigbee hub, it's a clean security upgrade for busy households. 6. Lutron Diva Smart Dimmer Switch Kit for Caseta. Lutron's Diva Smart Dimmer Starter Kit is the lighting upgrade that just works. The dimmer installs with no neutral wire and can be set up in about 15 minutes, backed by install videos and 24/7 support. In the box, you get the Diva Dimmer, Caseta Smart Hub, plus a Pico remote and pedestal, so control can live on the wall, on the coffee table, or in the app. Add scenes, schedules, and geofencing without clogging your Wi-Fi. 7. Philips Hue Wireless Smart Button. The Philips Hue Smart Button makes smart lighting feel instant for everyone. It's battery-powered, mounts anywhere with a magnetic mini mount or plate, and gives guests or kids a simple one-touch control, no phone required. Press once for on/off, press and hold to dim or brighten, or jump to preset scenes like energize or relax. It requires a Hue bridge, which unlocks automations, control from anywhere, and Matter connectivity to link Hue into a wider smart home setup. 8. Roku Smart Home Indoor Smart Plug. Roku's Indoor Smart Plug is an easy way to turn dumb devices into scheduled, voice-controlled gear. Use the Roku Smart Home app to check status and tap power on or off from anywhere, then automate daily routines with schedules and timers. Vacation mode can switch devices on automatically to make your home look occupied, and you can sync multiple plugs to power an entire room at once. No hub required, and it works with Roku Voice, Alexa, and Google Assistant. 9. Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor helps you track what you can't see. It measures 5 factors: PM 2.5, VOCs, carbon monoxide, humidity, and temperature. Then shows a color-coded LED and an easy air quality score in the Alexa app. Set notifications when air quality drops and trigger routines to turn on compatible air purifiers, fans, or dehumidifiers automatically. Just remember, it's for indoor monitoring, doesn't have Alexa built in, isn't a certified CO alarm, and it doesn't measure CO2 or radon. 10. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is a comfort upgrade that can cut energy waste. It's Energy Star certified and claims savings up to 26% on heating and cooling, while the included smart sensor helps balance hot and cold spots. A built-in air quality monitor alerts you when air needs attention and reminds you about filter changes. You also get smart features like geofencing and smoke alarm detection, plus Doorbell Live View when paired with ecobee's wired doorbell camera. 11. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Google's Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th generation, is built to keep comfort on autopilot while helping you save energy. It learns the temperatures you like and adapts as your routine changes, so your home feels right without constant tweaks. The updated design focuses on broader system compatibility. Amazon notes it works with most 24-volt setups, and in many homes you won't need a C-wire. The included temperature sensor helps you manage comfort where it actually matters, room by room. 12. SwitchBot Hub 2. SwitchBot Hub 2 is the glue that turns scattered gadgets into a coordinated smart home. It acts as a Wi-Fi hub for your SwitchBot devices and adds built-in climate tracking, so you can automate comfort instead of chasing settings. Amazon highlights a Swiss-made sensor with accuracy up to plus or minus 1.8% RH and plus or minus 0.36 degrees Fahrenheit, plus a light sensor that can auto-adjust screen brightness. Use it to trigger routines, like turning on fans, humidifiers, or AC scenes, based on real conditions in your room. 13. Brilliant Smart Home Control. Brilliant Smart Home Control is like a command center you can touch. This plug-in panel gives you a dedicated place to manage lighting, scenes, and connected devices without digging for your phone. Amazon lists broad compatibility. Alexa built-in, plus support for brands like Ring, Sonos, Hue, Google Nest, Wemo, SmartThings, and Apple HomeKit, so it fits into real-world smart home setups. It's a great pick for families because anyone can walk up, tap, and control the house instantly. 14. SwitchBot Automatic Curtain Opener. 3. SwitchBot. Curtain 3 is the simplest way to make your curtains feel smart without replacing hardware. Amazon describes a no-tool setup. Attach it to your existing rod, place the positioning magnets, and connect in the app. The 2025 upgrade focuses on smoother movement and stronger performance, making daily open and close routines effortless. It's perfect for wake-up automations, heat control, and privacy, especially when paired with a SwitchBot Hub for voice assistance and scheduled routines that run even when you're not home. 15. SwitchBot Air Purifier. SwitchBot's Air Purifier is built for people who want cleaner air with less guesswork. Amazon highlights a high-efficiency 3-stage filtration system designed to capture up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 to 0.3 microns, including smoke, PM 2.5, and pollen. It also targets odor control. Amazon claims it can clear a large percentage of common household smells within about 30 minutes. For smart homes, this is a strong set-it-and-forget-it upgrade, especially when you automate it around air quality and daily routines. 16. iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Roomba Combo J9 Plus is the hands-off floor system for busy homes. Amazon describes a multifunctional base that empties the bin and refills the robot, so it can vacuum and mop with far less babysitting. It's designed to handle mixed surfaces and avoid obstacles, which is exactly what you want when pets, shoes, and daily clutter get in the way. The real win is consistency. Once schedules and maps are set, your floors stay company-ready, without you planning your day around cleaning. 17. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra with refill and drainage system. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is for viewers who want premium cleaning automation that feels truly modern. Amazon lists serious suction, up to 10,000 pascals, plus an all-in-one dock with mop washing and drying. The refill and drainage setup is the big upgrade, because it reduces the messy maintenance that keeps people from using robot mops consistently. Add features like obstacle avoidance, smart dirt detection, and automatic mop lifting, Amazon notes 20 millimeters, and you get a cleaner home with fewer interruptions and fewer oops moments around rugs and clutter. 18. Govee Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector. Water damage is expensive, And this Govee leak kit is a simple way to catch problems early. Amazon notes that the Wi-Fi gateway can connect multiple sensors, up to 10, creating a wider protection net around sinks, toilets, water heaters, and basements. When a leak or drip is detected, it can send real-time alerts like app notifications and emails, so you can react fast, even when you're away. With multiple probe points for dripping and pooling, it's a small gadget that can prevent a very big headache. 19. Bluevua RO100 RO-POT Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. Bluevua's RO100 RO-POT is a countertop reverse osmosis system for anyone who wants cleaner water without permanent installation. It's designed to be compact and kitchen-friendly, while still delivering multi-stage purification through RO filtration. Amazon highlights a filter life monitor and long filter intervals, about 12 to 24 months. So maintenance stays simple and predictable. This is a strong quality-of-life upgrade for smart kitchens. Fill, filter, pour, and track everything at a glance, with fewer reminders and less guesswork about when it's time to swap filters. 20. CIARRA Portable Range Hood. CIARRA's portable range hood is the smart solution for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, RV cooking, or indoor hot pot nights. Amazon describes a desktop range hood with a 2-speed exhaust fan, a detachable aluminum filter, and a large oil collection cup, so you can capture grease and odors without installing a full-size hood. Because it's compact and movable, it works wherever smoke and smell build up fastest. For creators, it's also a great demo gadget. Immediate before/after air improvement you can actually see on camera. That's our roundup of 20 smart home tech upgrades that turn daily friction into smooth, automatic living, cleaner floors, safer doors, better air, and a home that responds before you even think about it. If you found a gadget you'd actually use, drop your favorite pick in the comments so everyone can compare notes. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more fresh Amazon tech finds.